The theme of this conference is the journey to coaching mastery, and I think the crucial word here is journey, because a journey is not an instant experience. It's something that takes place over time, and the journey to mastery most certainly takes place over a considerable period of time. I often say that mastery and innovation have so much in common because they both involve people making a commitment and then having the stickability power to just stay at it as they gradually improve and increase their skill set. Now, how does this show up? Well, the way people think is part of how it shows up. For instance, both innovation and mastery require you to understand that it's a marathon, basically. It's not a sprint. And so if you're going to undertake a marathon, you need to be properly prepared. You need to have the capacity to endure. And endurance doesn't mean it's hell on earth, but it does mean you need to know what will enable you to be resilient when it doesn't all go quite as you might anticipate. So part of the art of both innovating and moving in the direction of greater mastery is being able to deal with the setbacks. Not just to somehow ignore them, but to positively learn from them, because true mastery involves a process of continual learning, and frequently that is incremental learning. It's just a little bit better this time, just a little bit better. Now, the same thing is true with innovation. The vast majority of innovation is incremental. It's not the eureka moment. So is that something that you're aware of? Is that something you're used to? Do you drive yourself nuts by thinking you should be more perfect? Actually, every time something goes wrong, potentially you have a learning moment. Can you turn that so-called failure into feedback that feeds forward to greater success in the future? That ability is part of what will enable you to have the emotional resilience to be both able to move in the direction of greater mastery, but also to allow yourself a sufficient space internally to make up new things. And that's the innovative piece. And guess what? Mastery always involves innovation.